Hi guys, it's Abdul here and I'm really excited you found this video. Today we are going to talk about how to do affiliate marketing without a website, but more importantly, I'm going to be showing you a unique strategy that nobody talks about that will allow you to make $1,000 every single day. So I call this the 90-day challenge because once you do this every single day, in the next 90 days, you will reach at $1,000 every single day. If you are new to this channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I always release videos about affiliate marketing, entrepreneurship, and making money online. And don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so that anytime I come with a brand new video about entrepreneurship and making money online, about affiliate marketing, you will be the first to get notified. So that being said, I'm going to show you my 3-step method. Really easy, really simple. Anybody can do this and it is scalable. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to find affiliate programs that pay $100 or more. This is key with this method, okay? To reach your $1,000 per day, first what you have to do is you have to find affiliate programs that pay you $100 per sale. So that means to reach this goal, you only need to make 10 sales a day and you will be at $1,000 per day. Pretty simple, okay? So I have some examples here like GetResponse. You can do your own research. It literally takes like an hour or two to find like a lot of affiliate programs that actually pay $100 or more per sale. One example is GetResponse, which is an email service provider, and they pay $100 per sale, okay? So another example of this type of products is called the One Funnel Away Challenge, okay, by Russell Brunson of ClickFunnels, which actually pays you $100 per sale, okay. So another example is InnerServer. InnerServer also pays you $100 per sale, okay guys. Stick around because I'm going to be showing you a very easy method to sell these products, okay. And don't forget also, in the end of the video, you want to stick around to the end because in the end of the video I will give you a 100% free affiliate marketing training that will show you how to make at least your first $10,000 on the internet using affiliate marketing. I will be giving you the training 100% free, so you want to stick around to the end to get that. So another example of this type of programs is Constant Contact, and they also pay $105 per sale, okay. So now what you're going to do is the first process actually is to find this type of products, and I would like you to find 50, anywhere from 50 to 100 of these type of programs that pay you $100. If you have a program that actually pays like $40 or $50 monthly, is also really cool because every 2 months you have $100. So that is the strategy. You want to find products that pay you a lot of money. I've seen a lot of people waste their time on this Amazon stuff where, you know, they earn like literally very small amount of money, like 3% commission, 4% commission. But this is a secret method that not many people actually talk about, and I know you will be really excited once I delve into this method deep. Now we have completed step number 1, so you can use like 1 hour or 2 hours to search the internet and you will find this type of products. They pay $100. Now what we are going to do next is we are going to go back here and we find buyer keywords for these programs, okay. Now most of the time these are softwares, okay, and that is why they can give you a lot of money as an affiliate. So you want to understand the concept of buyer keyword. Now a keyword is a search term that somebody types on Google or YouTube or any other search engine, okay. Like if you are looking for information on how to make money online, you can just go over to Google and type how to make money online. So that particular keyword is how to make money online. But that is an informational keyword. That is a keyword that is used by somebody who's looking for more information. But there are keywords that people use. Those people are actually almost at the end of the buying cycle, so they have their credit cards in their hands, so they just want to find some little information and then they go ahead and make a purchase. Now some of these keywords are like let me just go. I use one tool called VidIQ. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. You can actually go ahead and get this because it shows you all the keywords that I used on YouTube, and you can easily find very low competition keywords that are really profitable. Keywords that, you know, when you rank for them on the first page of YouTube, man, you'll be making a lot of money, okay. So now we go ahead and search for GetResponse. get response review. Now the word review is always used by people who want to buy, but they're looking for some information before they go ahead and make a purchase. They're looking for information to justify their purchase. Okay, so another type of keyword is alternative. For example, you have ClickFunnels alternatives, you have Builderall alternative, and the other type of keyword actually is versus, where you have like get response versus MailChimp or something versus something. So these are keywords, and the keyword also best also is used by people who are already in the end of the buying cycle. So these are the type of keywords that you want to target. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and search get response review, and this tool now will tell us how many people are searching for this term every single month. Great. So we have like an average search volume of 15,900 people are actually searching for this term. Okay, and these are people who want to buy. So imagine if you rank for that keyword on YouTube, which I'm going to show you to how to do very easily without showing your face very quickly. Okay, imagine how many sales you would be making, like $100 per sale, just by targeting this one keyword alone. Okay, and if I want to sell get response, for example, I may not only use the word get response review. I can say something like best email service providers. So I can go ahead and type that. So now I want to see if this keyword is easy to rank for. Okay, this keyword is not easy to rank for. As you can see, we have like 23, but again, I can find very low. Okay, this is 3 out of 100. So this is a pretty cool keyword. Okay, so best email marketing services, I can create a simple video, just hovering over different websites and talking about 3 or 4 different email service providers while trying to sell my own product. Pretty cool and pretty easy. This one is also easy, 11 over 100. Okay, these are low, very low, as you can see, very low. Okay, these are untapped keywords that don't have a lot of competition, but again, you want to use vidIQ because it's the keyword that will is this software that will actually show you how to get this keyword. So if we look at get response, this is the competition tab. You will see that get response is 2 out of 100, is way low. So there's still opportunity for you to rank for this keyword. So if you go, this is like I'm shorting this based on the lowest competition keywords going up to the highest. You see this one here, get response preview, make money online. These ones are very difficult keywords. Okay, but as you go up, you will find very low competition keywords that you can rank for, like in this example, get response versus lead pages. This is a keyword used by people who want to buy either get response or lead pages, and they're trying to find some comparisons. So what you can do is you can go ahead and create a very simple video reviewing this product. So now what I'm going to do is, I know that InterServer also pays $100. I'm going to go ahead to vidIQ and type InterServer review to see if I can rank for that keyword. So as you can see, the tool also told me that there are 2,000 people searching for this term every single month, and the competition is 5.6 out of 100. It's still a very good keyword that I can easily rank for. Okay, if you look at here, you have dollar view, it has 1,000 and it's still 1 over 100. So all these are low competition keywords. Okay, so what you can do is you can tick the keywords that you like, and what you can do is you can go ahead and export them. So anytime you find a product that pays $100, you can come here, like the one funnel away challenge, you can put it in the keyword section here, and this tool will tell you whether the keyword is easy to rank for. So once you find a couple of keywords that promote these different products that pay you $100 per sale, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and create a video. So you can see this one person has only 6,000 subscribers and they have like 2,400 views in the last 4 months. Okay, so what you can do is when you create these videos, you can put your link in the description of the video. Unlike Facebook and other platforms, YouTube doesn't have any problem with you putting your links, affiliate links on their platform. Okay, so as you can see, this is an affiliate link. Okay, now when I click this and I go ahead and make a purchase, this person is going to make money. So now I want us to do a very quick math here. Okay, so if we take the amount of views, which is 2,480, and we multiply this by 0.01, let's say like 1% of people who watch this video actually converts. I'm pretty sure it will be far more than that because these people want to buy. But let's just say that 1% of these people actually went ahead and purchased this product. So what is going to happen is you're going to have 24 people, and 24, let me just multiply 24 by 100. That's $2,400 just from this single video alone. Okay, and the best part is you don't have to know any technical, not have any technical skills, or you don't have to buy websites, you don't have to buy domains. YouTube is literally free. Okay, it's 100% free. So you can go, when you find these products, you can come over to YouTube, you can watch the videos about these reviews, you can take few notes, and what you can do is you can create your own review. So you can go to these websites, and what you can do is you can just talk about the features, talk about the benefits, talk about so many good things about the product. When people watch your video and they are impressed, they are convinced, they're gonna go ahead and purchase. As you can see, he has a very good engagement on this video. Okay, so this is the strategy, this is the method, and as long as you can create one video per day about a product, in the next 90 days I guarantee you will start to make a lot of money from this method. Again guys, all you want to do is find products that pay you $100, then find keywords that are easy to rank for using the tool I recommend, which is vidIQ, which shows you the easiest tools that keywords that you can rank for. And now what you want to do, third step, is you want to create one video per day. And guys, if you follow this step, you don't need any website. I guarantee you will make a lot of money very fast. Okay, so guys, if you want a free training on how to start affiliate marketing, how to make your first $10,000, I have a proven system, a proven funnel, okay, that actually works. I'm going to be giving you everything you need to get started. I have a link in the description of this video. You can go ahead and then subscribe to this program, and I will see you inside where I will show you how exactly my method actually works, guys. Okay, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon, and also subscribe to my channel, like the video, dislike it if you find anything that is not interesting. Okay, and if you have anything to talk or ask or something like that, you can put that in the comment section. And then that's it guys, go ahead and implement this strategy. It's really easy, it's doable. All these videos that you see on YouTube, they started from scratch. Okay, it only takes like you need to have mental toughness, you need to have determination, and you need to have consistency, and I guarantee you will see quick results with this method. So I will see you in my next videos guys. I really appreciate your being here, and bye bye.